Alright, class, let's continue our lesson for data handling. Yesterday, we studied about tallying marks. Now, another way to count data and to understand data is by counting columns. Okay, before we continue with that, let's review our vocabularies for this week first. So, again, we have tally, that was yesterday, data, and information. Data and information are two things that can help us understand a situation. Now, we have a new one for today and we call it columns. Columns are these straight lines on your table. This is the orange column, for example, yellow column, for example, that is from top to bottom or from the bottom to the top. You can recognize columns very easily because they are all standing. So we have the green columns, blue columns. All right, let's move on to our lesson. Everybody gear up for your math class. Okay, now you should be able to organize data to count objects, interpret data, answer questions about data. What do you mean by to organize data in counting objects? Meaning you will group the data that are the same all together, interpret data to find out which is more or which is less, and answer questions about data. We will have questions about what's more, what's fewer, just like what we did yesterday with the tally marks. Okay, let's move on. So for example here, organizing data. You have all of these toy animals at home. Now it's difficult for you to keep track how to count all of them. So the easiest way for you to count is to group them all together, right? So let's say we will put them in columns. That means from up to down, or it's just standing. First, we have the giraffes in this line, the hippos on this line, the lions on the third line, and the monkeys on the last line. All right, let's group the giraffes now. So that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's easier to count now. How about the hippos? That's 1, 2. Lions, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. How about the monkeys? Good. So they're all in groups now. The monkeys, they are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The giraffe in one line, the hippos in one line, the lions in one line, the monkeys in one line. Like this, it's organized and you can see it is. Alright class, so this is page 98 in your book. Now let's understand the data that we have or the information that we have. So how many giraffes are there? There are 5 giraffes. And how many more monkeys are there than hippos? Yes, we have this question again, so the operation that we will use is subtraction. Now monkeys, we know that there are 6 monkeys. Then we write subtraction, and we know that there are 2 hippos. Then that is equals to 4. So there are 4 more monkeys than hippos. Now, how many more monkeys than lions? We have the same question. How many more? So what operation are we going to use? Great job. That is still subtraction. We know that monkeys are 6. We write the subtraction, and we know there are 4 lions. So there are 2 more monkeys than lions. Next, how many fewer hippos than giraffes? We want to know how many fewer is the hippo than the giraffes. So again, we have this question, so the operation will be subtraction. Great job. Now let's write the giraffe first. We know it's 5 because we want to find out how many fewer the hippos are than the giraffes. So we write the giraffes first. Minus 2, because hippos there are 2 only, and that is equal to 3. There are 3 more giraffes. Now, how about letter E? How many toy animals are there all together? We have this word again, all together, and if it has all together, what operation are we going to use? Good, we are going to use addition. So we will have 5 for the giraffes plus 2 for the hippos plus 4 for the lions plus 6 for the monkeys. In total or altogether, there are 17 toy animals. All right, great job. You did very well with this lesson. So stay safe and take care. That ends our lesson for today. See you tomorrow and have a great day.